Let's start with a new job circular of Pulli Kormo Shohayok Foundation PKSF. PKSF has been implementing the World Bank funded project titled Sustainable Enterprise Project SEP since August 2018. The objective of this project is to increase adoption of environmentally sustainable practices by targeting micro enterprises following business cluster development approach. PKSF hereby invites applications for the following positions under SEP. The first serial number of the post is Senior Program Officer, Branding, E-commerce and Innovation Specialist. Number of post 1. Consolidated monthly salary 1,65,000. That means 165,000 Bangladeshi Taka. And the second post is Program Officer, Enterprise Development, Textile and Fashion. Number of the post is 1. The consolidated monthly salary is for this post is 120,000 Bangladeshi Taka. The employees will be recruited initially for 1 year with an opportunity for performance-based annual renewal during the project period. Interested candidates who fulfill the requirements should apply online by 31st January 2021. For detailed terms of reference and instructions to apply, please visit PKSF website pksf-bd.org. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted, so that all the applicants will not be contacted. PKSF is an equal opportunity employer. Any kind of persuasion will be treated as disqualification of the candidate. So if you wish to apply, please apply before 31st January 2021 on the website. I will give the website link in the description box below. Thanks for watching. See you soon with the next job circular.